So the past couple days in math, we have been talking about multiplication, right? And so one easy way that you can record your data and multiply it without you having to do it, like maybe if they're bigger numbers, is to use an Excel workbook. So this is what Excel looks like, and it has a bunch of different things on it, but for right now, we're going to focus on doing a multiplication formula, learning how to put that in. So what we're going to do is we're going to have three different columns, and so we're going to have numbers that we're going to make multiply on their own. So for the A column, we're going to have number of items, and then our B column is going to be the price of those items, and then the C column is your total. Okay, so your A column is the number of items. So let's say if we go grocery shopping, you're going to put the number of those items there. Then the price of those items is going to be in the B column, and then the C column is your total. Okay, so let's say for number of items we're going to use orange juice, and we buy 3 cartons of orange juice, okay? So then the price of those orange juices you're going to put in, so it's going to, let's say it's going to be $2.50 is the price. Okay? And then for your total, instead of you having to do it, we're going to make a formula. And right here is where your formula bar is, where it says FX. So you're going to click on that. And the very first thing that you always do when making a formula is put an equal sign in. And this tells you that you're going to have a sum right here. Okay? So this is a sum, so you put equal. And then the next step is you're going to click the box that has the number in it. So you're going to click A2, and then it pops up A2. And then to multiply, you add in what's called an asterisk, which is your 8 number on your keyboard, and you click the shift key, and that will put in the asterisk. And then you want to multiply that number with 2.5. So you're going to click on 2.5, which is B2. And so this is your formula right here. You have equal sign, A2 times B2, and then what we're going to do is hit enter, and then you can see under your total that you have your total number, which is 3 times 2.5 is 7.5. Okay, and so now you're going to click on that box, and there's a little blue box at the bottom. I want you to grab that and go all the way down to 10. Okay, and you'll notice that there's zeros in all those boxes. Now what I did is I took that formula up here and I put it all the way down into these boxes. And you can tell that because there's little green triangles in the corner. So that means that there is a formula in there. Okay, so we're going to come over here. Let's say we're going to buy 4 loaves of bread, and each loaf of bread is $1.25. And once you click enter, it's going to multiply that for you, and that is 5. Okay? Do one more. Let's say you're buying cartons of eggs. Let's say you buy 6 cartons of eggs, and each carton of egg is $3.50. Okay, so kind of big number for multiplication. I'm going to click enter, and you have 21. So that is how to create a basic formula. If you can't remember your formula, you can always click on it and it'll still be up here. And you can use this for many different things, bigger numbers, and then it will help you keep track of all your data.